As part of Master AWS Glue, let's understand AWS Glue Data Catalog introduction. Let's say this is my AWS Glue. This is my AWS Glue. Here, first we create a database. Yes or no? Inside a Glue, we create a database. Let's say this database is for IC, IC, I. This database is for HD, HDFS. No, not HDFS. Bank name HDFS is a Hadoop distributed file system. HDFC, HDFC, not HDFS, HDFC Bank. Let's say this database is for HDFC Bank. So these are different sources of ICICI Bank. Let's say they have S3, they have AWS RDS, AWS RDS, they have AWS DynamoDB, etc., etc. These are different sources. So using crawler, we can create a crawler and we can, let's say S3, S3, we have CSV file. S3, we have a CSV file. Then we can create a crawler. We can create a crawler. It uses built-in classifier, CSV classifier, because this file following comma as a delimiter, comma as a delimiter. Let's say there is another file under S3, another file under S3. This is also CSV, but here they used hash as a delimiter. Then we can use custom classifier. In this custom classifier, we can say my input file contain hash as a delimiter. Then we can attach this to crawler. Then it reads this file and stores in a table information. Let's say my file presented in AWS RDS. You can directly connect. My file contained in Redshift. You can directly connect. My data presented in DynamoDB. You can connect. Let's say ICICI Bank, they have Oracle database, Oracle database, Oracle database. Okay, this is on-premise. Let's say Hyderabad. Sorry. In Hyderabad, they have data center. You may see a ICICI Bank tower in near to Wipro Circle in Hyderabad. Assume there they have a data center. They are managing their business details. They are storing into Assume here. Here you can create a connection. You can create a JDBC connection. You can give to crawler. In this JDBC connection, you can provide details of your database. Then this crawler using JDBC, it will connect here and stores metadata information of that table. Let's say I have SAP HANA. My ICICI Bank, storing data into SAP HANA ERP system. ERP system. Then you can create a connection to SAP HANA using JDBC. You can connect. You can get that information. You can store into particular table. Clear?